Week 9, Part 2. We begin with ABC inventory classification. Some items have a greater effect on the costs and profits of a business. Managing inventory according to its priority can help boost a company's performance. One approach to analyzing inventory is the ABC method. The purpose of the ABC method is to focus a manager's attention on the most important items. In Category A are a few high-value inventory items that account for the largest percentage of total dollars. These items require close management. Category B items are less costly but deserve moderate attention. And Category C contains low-cost or non-critical items. Just-in-time inventory systems. The just-in-time inventory system is designed to cut inventory carrying costs by buying what you need when you need it. Inventory items are bought in response to demand. This focus prevents the buildup of unnecessary inventory. Adoption of this approach requires careful coordination with suppliers. Just-in-time management causes quality problems to be spotted quicker, and it reduces the need for large amounts of storage and insurance. Inventory record-keeping systems. Small firms' control methods should be as simple as possible. Too much control can be wasteful. In most small businesses, inventory records are computerized. Inventory checks can be carried out in different ways. A physical inventory system depends on actually counting every item on hand. Other businesses use cycle counting, scheduling different portions of inventory to be counted at different times during the year. This simplifies the inventory process and makes it less of an ordeal for the business as a whole. A continuous inventory system provides an ongoing current record of inventory items. It does not require a physical count. However, a physical count of inventory should be made periodically to ensure the system is working correctly and to make adjustments for loss or theft. The simplest method is called a two-bin inventory system. This is a method of inventory control based on using two containers for each item in inventory. One container is used to meet current demand and the other to meet future demand. Quality as a competitive tool. The operations process establishes a level of quality as a product is being produced. Quality must remain a primary focus of a firm's operations. The American Society for Quality, ASQ, has been the leading quality improvement organization in the U.S. for more than 50 years and has introduced many quality improvement methods throughout the world. One of these methods is Total Quality Management, TQM, an all-encompassing management approach to providing high-quality products and services. This method has the following features. It is customer-driven. Customers' needs and wants are the core drivers. It emphasizes organizational commitment. Management leads, but the entire organization participates. It focuses on a culture of continuous improvement. The customer focus of quality management. A firm's quality management should focus on the customers who purchase its products or services. To get started in the right direction, the entrepreneur should ask the following question. What products and services will be provided to the customer? Exceeding basic customer expectations can leave a lasting, favorable impression on customers, which often results in repeat business and free promotion through positive word of mouth. Customer feedback. Listening attentively to customers' opinions can provide information about a firm's level of satisfaction. Experts now recommend that firms work hard to involve customers in improving quality. For example, some businesses provide comment cards for their customers to use in evaluating service or product quality. Another approach to gathering customer-based information is to collect company sales data and analyze it for information on customer behavior. Most business management software now includes business intelligence programs that can help even the smallest of companies discover customer buying patterns. The basic 7 quality tools. 95% of a typical company's quality problems can be solved by using the following 7 tools. 1. A cause and effect diagram identifies potential causes for a problem while sorting them into categories. 2. A check sheet provides a structured form of collecting and analyzing data. 3. A control chart transforms data into graphs that can be used to determine if there are errors in processes and how to correct them. 4. A histogram is the most commonly used graph for showing how often different values reoccur. 5. A Pareto chart presents bar graphs that reveal which processes are significant, separating them into categories. And 6. A scatter diagram graphs pairs of variables, allowing a search for quality relationships or patterns. Quality assurance using inspection versus poker yoke. The traditional method for maintaining product quality has been inspection. This consists of examining a part or a product to determine whether or not it is acceptable. The problem with inspection is that it occurs after faulty goods or inadequate services have been offered for sale. Quality inspection processes are helpful, but poker yoke is a more proactive approach that seeks to mistake-proof a firm's operations. For example, fryers at many fast food restaurants now raise the product out of the hot grease using a time machine rather than relying on employees. This innovation prevents food waste and removes an opportunity for injuries. Statistical methods of quality control. The use of statistical methods and control charts often can make controlling quality easier, less expensive, and more effective. Acceptance sampling involves taking random samples of products and measuring their attributes or variables against predetermined standards. Attributes are product or service parameters that can be counted as being present or absent. Variables are measured parameters such as weight or length. A control chart graphically shows the limits for the process being controlled. As data is being recorded into the chart, it is possible to tell whether a process is under control or out of control. Control charts may be used for either variable or attribute inspections. International certification for quality management. A firm can obtain international recognition if its quality management program by meeting a series of standards known as ISO 9000. ISO 9000 certification is particularly valuable for small firms because they usually lack a global image. Buyers in other countries view this certification as an indicator of supplier reliability. The International Organization for Standardization also offers an ISO 14001 certification. This certification reflects how efficiently companies have set up their operation processes in order to control negative impact on air, water, and soil. The importance of purchasing. The quality of a finished product depends on the quality of the raw materials used. Purchasing also helps operations by ensuring that goods are delivered when they are needed. In retail business, failure to receive merchandise on schedule may mean a loss of sales and possibly a permanent loss of customers who were disappointed. Another aspect of effective purchasing is securing the best possible price. The importance of purchasing varies depending on the business. In a small labor business, purchasing supplies are responsible for a very small part of the total operating costs. Such businesses are more concerned with labor costs than with the cost of supplies or other materials.